Summit Credit Union is launching its 18th year of Project Money. 4 teams have partnered with their Summit financial coaches to save more, reduce debt, and take control of their financial future. Let's get started.
My name is Anna. I'm living in Middleton, Wisconsin. My financial situation, I think I had a little challenge paying off my credit card. Also, I've been having challenges with my budget. Somebody told me about the project. I decide I need change my financials. I need learn how I can be better. For me, it's been very good. Yeah, already. I think I found the answer I was looking for, and nobody had the time to talk to me about. And I felt, wow, this is perfect. I for sure I'm gonna spread the good news to everybody I could.
Head to summitcreditunion.com to follow along and start building your own financial strategies.